employers in the recent time faces quite an honest in recruitment process. In the cutthroat competitive world of today's life, it is not that easy to crack an interview. Even though you had appeared for a number of interviews, each and every interview is a new learning experience. How well you fare in the interview depends upon how great you present yourself. If you got a job that you are aiming for and if you are nervous about your interview, then this video is for you guys. And I'm also going to talk about certain fraudulent activities of fake consultancies or agencies that are ruining the careers and also hopes of many jobless aspirants. Most of the people approaches consultancy agencies in search of good jobs and get tricked in their hands. On the other side, there are some people, so they are going to lose their confidence after seeing the environment. They always motivate themselves that they are not fit for the job. Interview can be stressful considering the fact that you have no or very less or limited interview experience. So in today's video, I will try to give you some simple tips which you can able to crack your interview. So my first tip is that be confident. Likewise, all the common things which are happening in your life, interview is also a normal conversation between you and a strange person where you have to give him a confidence that you are suitable for his job. So whenever an interviewer asks you to come inside, walk straight with a slight smile on your face and greet the interviewer with a firm handshake and always look into his eyes and respond the answers so that the interviewer will be feeling confident that you are confident with your yourself and at the same time your answers. If it is a job at everyday or normal company, so always try to wear formal dressings. And when it comes to the dressing, the rule number one is that always match your belt with your shoes colors. As first impression is the best impression, always try to dress up neatly. Don't wear zazzy or bright colors, instead opt to earthy colors. And when it comes to the formal shirts, it is better to wear white, and you can also wear pink and even blue so that it looks pleasant to the interviewer. Tip number 2 is be neatly groomed. Make sure that you look fresh and smile when you are entering into the interviewer's room. Make sure that you should not look nervous or tired or even sleepy. And the next important thing is that about your facial hair. So the interviewer is not looking for an glamorous employee. Instead, he is looking for an organized and responsible employer. So always try to have clean shave and normal haircut and ensure that you have neatly combed it. Number 3 is brush up with your basics. Along with impressive personality, you should also have excellent subject knowledge. Whether you are a fresher or experienced person, you might be having some toughest questions in your interview. So if you are a fresher, brush up with your subject fundamentals, and if you are an experienced person, organize your thoughts and also present them as well. Number 4 is that research about your company. It is not an optional thing, it is extremely important thing that you should have basic information about your company at which you are going to give interview. In a study, 47% of the interviewers had revealed that they are not going to offer job for the candidate who is having less knowledge about their company. And the next most important thing is that say no to alcohol at least one day before the interview and try to have light food and say early to the bed, and in the morning when you go to the interview at that particular time at least try to have meditation for 10 to 15 minutes so that it will eradicate all the interview stress and you will be in a peaceful state of mind. Last but not least is your communication skills. So communication skills is a very important thing that helps you to crack your interview. So when you are speaking, concentrate on your grammar, accent and also pronunciation. When I speak about accents, we are having two kinds of accents, American English and Britain English. Don't mix both the accents here and decide yourself in which accent you want to speak, either American English or British English. And yes, when it comes to women dressing, wear sari or salwar kameez and even kurtis. Avoid loud makeup, because I had already said that interviewer is not looking for glamorous employers. They are looking for organized and responsible employers. So when it comes to western wears, you can also wear blazers or formal pants and shirts, and also avoid carrying flash accessories. Please do like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon so that you get each and every update from my channel.